Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Terra Luna update for 26th of February, and we saw some nice good green candles. That's amazing. If you're not in the Discord, please join us into the Discord. But you know what I'm going to tell you is I do not trust green candles that much, to be honest with you. I don't really like to trust the green candles that come in all of a sudden. It's not a good idea. I actually want to check the volume, if the volume was any good, because I do guess the volume might have been good actually with this one. Yeah, the volume is really good, really it is quite good, damn good, right? So the volume is there. Is this the anything can happen in this space, guys. I'm not saying we could go up, but what I'm gonna tell you is that there is a break of a trend line, really big break of this trend line right there. So one thing is quite clear at this point of time that um, what this thing is doing, we do have this left shoulder, this head, and the right shoulder, and potentially you might even go back to the resistance level of the neckline. Understand that. But there's something that I want to tell you. You are very far overextended from the EMAs. Now, just because you're overextended doesn't mean you cannot go to the upside. Of course, it depends on how Bitcoin is going to be like. If you start to dump with Bitcoin, you're going to see this one rolling down really badly. So we are at the 75.2, and from here, guys, I do expect this one to backtest potentially this trend line, or it has already done it. And what's the technical target to go to the upside? Let me check this one out. This is what I want to check into the 4-hour time frame, because I think that I spotted some sort of a bull flag a little bit that can take you to the $80 or the $81. Yeah, so here we are, and this is what I want to tell you, that you might be even making a tri-star. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide all the EMAs, and yep, so I'm gonna bring this one so you went down just like this to make a bull flag, and boom, that was your bull flag. You broke out of a bull flag, and this is the technical target from top to the bottom right there. From there to there, you're still looking to actually push a little bit, and look, it takes you to the neckline. Didn't I tell you that? It's just taking you to the neckline, so it might go a little bit up even to the $88. Okay, potentially that could be the technical target to go up there. But let me give you a warning now, even though that might be a little bit of a more swing to the upside, but and this is not guaranteed. As long as Bitcoin is looking good, this is gonna be a little bit good, and that will be a 18% to rise to the upside, which is kind of good, but I wouldn't be risking it. Okay, I wouldn't be. Sometimes when the market starts to get bearish, you even don't go to the main target, you just start to roll over to the downside, because yes, this is looking good to actually continue to $88. But then again, if you have the Bitcoin misbehaving, you're going to see this push to the downside. But anyway, the target is still there. The $88 target is actually there. What I want to do is I want to go back into the daily and look where you are going, right onto the neckline. Okay, this is a neckline, an ascending neckline, and if you do go there, you're going to be touching the neckline, and from here maybe a dump could start to the downside, or if you do break out of it, then continue, it's going to go up. Now when you reach to the $88, for example, you're going to be putting in a big question mark. Is it going to break the neckline or get rejected at the neckline and start to dump to the downside? That's the question that should be answered, and that's what we have to actually analyze in the next coming future. But at this point of time, there's a bull flag, and potentially that takes you to the $88. So there is a little bit of luck out there, but I can't say anything. I don't know if it's gonna even reach there or not. It could be, could not, we don't know. We could see something very similar to what we saw just here, repeating just boom right there. Okay, something very similar. And then once you reach the top, boom, you go down. Once you reach the top to the neckline, boom, you go down. Absolutely repetition of this thing playing out again just right there. So that's it for Luna. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.